Make yourself known. Residents of 2324.
On May 7th, 2025, at approximately 11 p.m., Orange County Sheriff's Office deputies were dispatched to a second-floor apartment in the 3900 block of Titleist Court after a 911 caller reported being battered and strangled. The caller was later identified as 19-year-old Vanessa Eugene. When deputies arrived outside the apartment, they heard screaming from inside and believed someone was in danger.
I know this is hard. Did your girlfriend hit you? Where did she hit you? She hit you there? She hit you everywhere? Did she touch you or anything?
What's the apartment in yours?
2-4?
What's your name?
Did you say help?
Clear channel for units on Titleist Court, 20 Joseph.
Fredo, what do you have?
Sheriff's Office! You guys hear? I heard someone yell. Let's see.
I'm gonna shoot. You shoot across over here quick.
What'd she say?
She says I'm over there.
Come to the door! What did you say, Mark?
She says I'm okay. Can I look at my window? Do you see anything here? I can't pull down.
You.
I got to double check with you. Basically, everything you have, her saying that Sheriff's Office, come to the door. We just want to make sure you're okay. We don't know if that's going on. You get to the door, she won't answer it, but she keeps crying. She keeps saying I'm okay. And we keep hearing banging inside the apartment.
Yep.
Orange County Sheriff's Office! Make yourself known!
Side by side. Give me a little kick in. There you go. Give me announcements.
Orange County Sheriff's Office inside, make yourself known, do it now!
What's the name of the farm staff?
Come to the door with your hands up, I can hear you! Residents of 2324.
Movement. Doors moving.
Come out now with your hands up. Do it now.
That was a female screaming, yes?
Yep.
All right.
Just like by this one.
All right, we're taking the room. We can hear a female screaming for help.
All right, take right.
Take the ram.
You left to this kitchen?
Good. Go to the right. Let me see your hands. Come out now. Come out now. Got me.
Yep.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Back to right. Sheriff's Office. Let me see your hands.
Deputies knocked and attempted to make contact for several minutes before breaching the front door. Even after breaching, they remained outside and continued calling out to the woman inside. After approximately 6 minutes, screaming intensified from the back of the apartment, prompting deputies to begin clearing the interior. As they moved through the apartment, a person in a dark hoodie, later confirmed to be Eugene, suddenly appeared and lunged at deputies with a knife, attempting to stab them. 2 deputies discharged their firearms, striking Eugene. Deputies immediately rendered aid at the scene. Eugene was transported to the hospital, where she was pronounced dead. No deputies were injured. Investigators later determined Eugene was alone in the apartment, contradicting her 911 claim that someone had harmed her. It remains unclear what prompted the call or what led to her actions when deputies entered.
Stay by. Yep.
All right, this is the Sheriff's Office. You need to come out now with your hands up. You need to come out right now with your hands up. Reach her up. Reach her up. Hey, stand by one. Hold that. Reach. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I need nothing. We need a medical team in here. Everybody out. Medical team in.
The Florida Department of Law Enforcement is leading the investigation and will submit findings to the state attorney's office for review. The Orange County Sheriff's Office will conduct its own internal investigation once the FDLE process concludes. Both deputies who fired their weapons were placed on paid administrative leave pending the outcome.